Okay, so I am redoing my bathroom. This is how it looks before. It's really super plain. I don't like it. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought some of these items, but yeah, like how plain is that? It's just boring. And I'm gonna throw that away. And then I'm not gonna throw away a lot of things because I like to keep it in case like my mother or any friends want it. So I'm gonna keep all these little items until. And yeah, this is how it looks right now. And I hope you guys like how I redid it. So I made these little signs in my Photoshop and decided just to print it out so I could put it in that frame. And you just see me here, just taking the template to making sure that I cut it out the correct size so it doesn't be too big. And of course, my ghetto self takes shears to cut these papers because I couldn't find my regular scissors, but it's okay because it still did the work. So I pretty much did the whole process for every single frame, and you will see what happens next, guys. I am so annoyed, so frustrated. But you know, I'm just showing you guys, I'm keeping this real, showing you what all happened and the little complications I had. But yeah, keep on watching. I am taking these little adhesive dots and putting it behind the paper so it could stick on the actual glass without falling. Wow. You guys, I broke it. I broke it. And now I hope this comes out right. Okay. Even though the glass broke, I still had one other part of the glass, so it ended up working out. So it wasn't that bad, but still, I really broke it. And surprise, surprise, I am making my own flower arrangement. I love doing this because I feel like they are so much prettier and so much more affordable than buying them straight from the store. And you just see here the struggle and the realness that I go through with cutting these wires. It's like, why do you guys make it so complicated? But at the same time, it kind of makes sense so you could bend them. But you know, come on now, make it more easier. In the next few clips, you're gonna see me just reorganizing and changing it all around because the very first layout I had, I wasn't really feeling, so I'm very indecisive when it comes to decorating. So yeah, you'll just see me redo everything all over again. But you know, I just wanted to keep it real like I keep saying and just show you what I really do when I'm decorating. So yeah guys, this is how it finally looks at the end after redecorating and reorganizing everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty soon I am going to do a refresh because there's a lot of items that I'm missing that I want to add to this guest room. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys like. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment because I love responding to everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!